I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have my Vine box. This is the Oh La La box. This is a quarterly subscription. It's $59.99, but of course I have a discount code, so check the description box for all of that information. This is a box full of wine and pampering goodies. There's always a snack in there. It makes a fabulous gift as well as just something wonderful to treat yourself with. Okay, let's get into the box. Okay, so this will be the box of goodies. Get into that in just a second. Let's pull out the wine. Okay, so for the wine, you can either choose to get 2 reds, 2 whites, a red and a white, or sweet wine. This one is the New Crush Pinot Noir. And this one is the Speechless California Chardonnay. I'm very excited about these. And let's see what the goodies are. Their wines, by the way, are really lovely, easy drinking, crowd-pleasing kind of wine. It's the kind of wine you can drink by yourself, drink with food, drink with friends. It's wonderful. Okay, so we have some cards here, and the cards tell you all about the different products as well as giving you discount codes for a lot of things. So they'll tell you where you can get more, and like this one has a 10% off code. This one has a 30% off code. All right, so let's see what's in here. Okay, I have Aqua de Soy Linen and Lace. I think this is a candle. Oh, the box is cute. I like this. Oh my gosh, that is strong. Whew, that smells like, it's very floral, but, oh wait, hang on. It's changing on my nose. Okay, it's linen and lace, so it has that kind of fresh laundry sort of a smell, but it's a little on the floral side. Definitely a very feminine scent. I don't hate it. I thought I would for a second there, but I don't hate it. We'll see how it smells once it's burning. But this box is so pretty, right? What is this? It's jingling. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, so it's a necklace. This is actually, I'm gonna put this on. I wanna see how long the chain is. It's very pretty. It's simple, but like, you know, you could wear it with anything. Jeans and a t-shirt or a fancy evening gown if you wanted. Okay, so the chain can be this short or it can be this long. Okay, so I'm gonna do kind of middle and I'm gonna get rid of my other necklace so that it's not competing. That's really pretty. I mean, I like this. I think it's really elegant. And by the way, the necklace from Zaxie Gold Disc Necklace. Okay, what is this? Air Dry Cream or Creme, time-saving air styler. Kenra Platinum Air Dry Cream. So I'm assuming this is the kind of thing that you put in your damp hair and then let it air dry and it's supposed to be all lovely. Let's see if it smells good. I actually really like these types of products because they help give your hair just like some body and texture. Even if your hair is like perfectly straight like mine is, I like putting it in my air dried hair and then I have a little bit of texture, and then when I do style my hair, it tends to help. Oh, it smells really good. I don't know what it smells like, shampoo, but good. I'm so bad at describing scents, I'm so sorry. 6 Trees Home Decor box sign. So it's a little wooden box, 3 little words, live, love, wine. How cute is this? Isn't that great? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna set that right here. Well, how does that look? You probably can't even see what it says, but whatever. It's cute and I love it. And then finally we have our snack. So this is Moonstruck from Portland, Oregon. Crunchy milk chocolate salted toffee. 31% cacao. Holy moly. I kind of want to eat this right now. This just sounds really, really good. They always have the tastiest snacks in here, and they're from fun little places. Oh my gosh, this chocolate is beautiful. I have to show you guys this chocolate. Okay, I hope that's focusing properly and you can see the design on this chocolate. How beautiful is that? Oh my gosh. So another wonderful box from Vine. Oh, so many wonderful things. Like I said, this makes a fabulous gift. It's wonderful to get for yourself. All of the information will be in the description box as well as my discount code, so make sure you check that out if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!